guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can upload using templates on TikTok, like how you can add pictures and easily edit them using TikTok templates. So hit that record button, and I'm just going to go to the template section over here. Then I'm just going to select a template. I'm just going to use this one. And as you can see, you need 4 pictures for this. I don't know why mine is in, well, it's in my language, but it says to upload 4 photos. You are then just going to press select photos, and then I'm just going to select 4 photos. Then I'm just going to press OK. And then TikTok will simply edit the pictures for you by using the template. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!